Guys, welcome back. Got a few things I want to talk about the Cub Cadet, and there's a few other things I want to talk about. So let's get into it. There's one thing that I did. I changed the oil on the Cub because it was knocking. Changed the oil in this one because I figured that, the old motor oil that they use went in cars. And that's not right for small engines because it doesn't work right. This doesn't have an oil pump. It's a dipper. So the thick oil just doesn't work well in this engine. So I changed the oil thinking that car oil was going to come out. Okay, car oil did not come out. This stuff is extremely like it's clear. And it's got a little lubricity left in it. Something tells me that they 20 years ago had some sort of preservative oil. The knock did not go away. It's not knock from the engine. I think what I got is some sort of tap or some sort of rock. Yeah, you see that right there? See how this is rotating but the shaft isn't? I think that key right there, I don't know if you can see it. I think that key that's in there is loose. Something is not right with this pulley. Either way. So that's what's caught up on here. It still sounds the same. It still starts the same. But other than that, that's all I got for the Cub. I do want to talk about, I did get a new intro. The music came from Exandria. I've never heard of him before. I've never really heard his music before. I was coming across it and I finally heard it and I was like, you know what? This is great. So I'm going to try this new intro. It's probably at the beginning of this video. And it'll also be the end card. So let me know what you guys think about it. Go make sure you check out Exandria down in the description below. I've got the song that I used. I've got it down in the description. I also got a link to his channel down in the description. Go show you guys the support for him. He's a great creator. Got some great music out. I obviously have two hands. I can't film the content that I want to. I'm going to try and edit more. I've decided now that I'm back to a different software for editing. So what I want to try is going with that a little bit. It's a little bit easier to use and a little bit faster to use. So what I want to try is going with that for just a little bit. Let me know what you guys think about it, and we'll try to do that. Of course, uploads are going to slow down, so maybe once every other day or maybe once every 2 days I'll try, and or we'll see how fast it goes. But I can't promise a regular schedule. Additionally, it's also now cold outside. We went from 62 yesterday to 30, so with a wind chill of 10, and so that's how that's going. Also, planting season's coming up soon, and I'll be on the tractor a lot more, so hopefully we'll get some footage from that, and yeah. So don't forget to show you guys love and support for Exandria down in the description. So there's some links to some other videos up somewhere around here, and don't forget to check out some of the other videos on the channel. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe below. Hit that bell notification so you know when I post, and we'll see you in the next video.